Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Have you ever wondered if we can make that nasty looking headlight to look like this one? Well, today that's what we'll be doing guys. Stay with us to see if we achieve 100% restoration on our headlight, our method that we've been using for so long on many vehicles. We have many videos. You can see this lens, just the lens itself, was replaced on that Audi TT. This one is original, factory one, burned all the way. Okay, check it out. So today we will attempt to do that. We'll need masking tape. What we're going to do guys, we'll just cover the bumper and the hood around the headlight, so that way we don't sand the paint at all. Even if you do a little bit, you can always buff it, so that's not a problem. But trying to be as professional as we can, right? And to save yourself a little bit of work. So that's it right there. Next guys, what we're going to need is a 1200 sandpaper, water sandpaper. So all we need next is a bucket of water, dip the sandpaper in, okay, and start sanding the headlight. Okay, check all the nasty stuff coming from the headlight. Okay, that's pretty bad. Okay, you can see it's ugly yellow. Look at that thing. So what we're striving now is to sand for at least 2-3 minutes until we have perfect clear foam, whitish clear foam. You don't need to see anything yellow coming out of it. Okay, you can see that's yellow. Right here, it started getting a little bit better, but we still need to do a little bit more. Okay, look at that now just white foam. That's what we're trying to do, and you need to make sure you get all the corners, because corners will be the ones that you always have some leftovers. And that method guys, stay with us to see how you're going to keep your headlights shiny forever. You need to do something every 6 to 12 months. So 2000 sandpaper now guys. What we are doing with the 2000, we're going to sand the scratches from the 1200. That way it will be really easy to polish. Okay, you see, I think it will look 10 times better than what it was. Okay, perfect. That's needing just a little bit more on the bottom edge there. And after that, you need to rinse it off guys. We'll go ahead and remove the tape. We don't need it anymore. Next, you need to get a towel and we need to dry that. Make sure you have absolutely no water. Look at that, it's shiny and now it's going to get dull. That's normal. But just wait a few more minutes and you see how that thing will turn you again. Okay, we'll just give it a couple seconds to dry. Now guys, what we'll be using rubbing compound by 3M Perfected series. We have all the product links on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. It's in the description below. And step 2 is machine polish. So we get number 1, okay, and we'll apply a thin layer. We'll probably go twice with that. Usually twice achieve amazing results. So sometimes once, depending how bad your headlight was. Okay, so that's what we're striving for, a thin layer of it. A buffer with a foam pad, or you can buff it by hand if you don't have one. Okay guys, you can see it looks good. So I think we'll just go ahead and try one coat of number 2, because I don't think we even need number 1 anymore. It will look even better if you do a second coat. As you can see, the whole video, guys, hasn't been stopped from the very beginning. That's one continuous video, and see how long it takes to make that thing new. That's the plan. No editing, nothing like that. Okay guys, and next, what we're doing after that, we're going to apply M-Sealer. Okay, this one protects it from the UV rays, UV light, and it works really good. And the camera died for a little bit. Okay, so we'll just apply a thin coat of that, guys, and stay with us once we rub it all the way in to see what it looks like. Get a microfiber towel. Okay, we're going to go ahead and wipe it now. Check it out, guys. Compare what it was before. Okay, looks pretty good. And this is the other one. Almost identical result. If you do more coats of wax, this thing will turn brand new. So that will be, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.